How to fix Apple ID phone number verification error. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're getting cannot verify phone number error while setting up your Apple ID, here are some fixes that you can try. This error usually pops up when the Apple cannot confirm your phone number, often due to network or setting errors. So first of all, test your connection. Flip between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the error disappears. It's often tied to your network. Once this is done, you need to disable the VPN or content blockers which would be creating an error. In that case, you need to open your device settings. Once you are on your device settings, head over to your VPN or content blocker settings. Then after, turn it off if there are any active VPNs connected, as this may interfere with the Apple's verification process. Once this is done, you need to power off your iPhone and turn it back again. Rebooting your iPhone or relaunching can resolve simple but persistent glitches. Next thing, you need to update your software of iOS to the latest version. This way, it can fix the bugs that resolve the verification issues. However, if this does not work, head over to account.apple.com and then navigate to appleid.apple.com for the security purpose. Then tap on editing trusted phone numbers. Then after, make sure the phone number is correct or add a new one if needed. Once this is done, you may have to wait up to 24 hours as sometimes Apple needs time to sync the phone number info. Once that is done, now you can successfully get the confirmation message regarding your phone number verified. And that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.